Alright, so I'm at the same lot, Santa Fe, and I'm coming back for one thing I want and one thing I really need, and that's gonna be the door panel. If it's there, it's there. If it's not, it's not. For the CRX. And then the next one's gonna be the... Man, I already see some cars missing. Hopefully the CRX is still there. Then I'm gonna go for the subframe of the CRX. Hopefully it's there. Okay, well I see the same red valve cover Accord, so that's kind of good. That's a good sign. The first time here I was kind of overwhelmed. With you know, the variety of CRX parts, but now that I'm here I have a more clear head, nicer mind, everything's good. So here's the first one, and the door panel is still there, so that one's mine. Only one I can get. It looks fine, it looks 100% straight, but one thing's kind of worrying me is that they hit a curb and that busted. But the thing is though, is that looking at all these little welds right there and right here, and especially looking right there, everything looks like to be intact and not tweaked. Also, looking underneath, the rack looks perfectly fine. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna pull this one off real quick. I'm gonna get lower control arm bolts first. Well, that tie rod, sway bar, and the main bolts for it, which are 4 bolts, 4 17s, and it comes right off. Alright, so let's do an impact test. I already unloosened it, but this is just probably the beauty of it. Oh, it's so sweet. Gonna keep all this hardware just in case the other one could be bent. So I got lower control arms, that ball joint, and it's been about 8 to 10 minutes. So I'm kind of moving pretty good. Now I just got to remove the sway bar right now, and that should be good. Alright, so I got everything disconnected. Now it's going to be the rear mount and steering column, and it should just drop right out. Damn, that was pretty quick. And it's only been about 15 minutes because of this thing right here. The subframe is actually being held in just by the mount. So if I pull that bolt out, the mount is just gonna fall. I mean, the subframe is gonna fall. So I'm gonna leave that bolt in, go to the steering column, always watch out with glass. And man, I hate dealing with under the dash. I hate it, but I'm just gonna do it. This was a power mirrors, or no, it's probably some other car. Alright, so okay, now I'm just gonna get under here and take off that bolt. Alright, so I just took off this bolt right here, and now I'm just gonna lower the subframe a little bit. If it just goes crashing down, it's probably gonna hit the exhaust first. But they cut the exhaust on these anyways, so it's gonna hang up on it anyways. But fortunately, come out. So you might hear a slamming noise, but it's not gonna hurt anything if it falls a little bit. Everything is suspended from this bolt, and then from there I gotta take off the rack because I'm not using this rack. There it is. Okay, now it's time to fish it out. 30 minutes later, 35 minutes later. Really not that bad. Not that bad of a job, considering I was just busting ass. But on my car, I'm gonna go pretty smoothly and slow. Remove the mount. Now I'm gonna get the rack off and get the hell out of here. I got my door panel, and this should be good. Bitch, I gotta take out the freaking, look what happened. I gotta take out the freaking rack, the inner tie rod, to pull it out. Oh god, one thing after another. It was going so smooth actually, but now this. Yeah, but everything looks pretty straight though. Alright guys, so I got the subframe. It's pretty damn straight, and I got a mitten door panel. Everything seems pretty good, and yeah, if you want to see the install of this thing, it's probably going to be a two part, maybe 3, but just depending, because I kind of want to like do it nice and recording and everything. I don't want to skip a lot of steps, but I kind of want to show in detail. But yeah, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And I love this tool. This is so nice. I'm like probably 15% up. Got a long ways to go. Speedy right here says easier way at the bottom. Turn left. So that's the way to the bottom right there, but I'm going to the stairs. But I guess somebody discovered a new way. Pretty cool. And now it's time to face those stairs, and it's a pretty good workout. All you gotta do is go down them once, come back up. And that's a perfect workout actually, full body workout. And yeah, let's see if I can do it. You guys are gonna hear me huff and puff a lot, but let's see if I get through it. Here's where they start. I'm gonna basically walk down this mountain. The first quarter isn't bad, but man, by halfway through, your legs are done. Third quarter, complete. Still gotta go more, and then back up. Got those stairs that lead nowhere. Alright, so about a minute later, I'm reaching the bottom. A lot of stairs. Down there I'm just gonna chill, walk it back up. That's the real challenge. Coming back up. Last time I couldn't even make it. I had to like chill for like 5 minutes. Or you're planning to, just know that this place is pretty freaking creepy. A lot of creepy vibes right here. It's just like, kind of like you're being watched, and just ghost spirits, I don't know, like I'm not fully into that, but I definitely feel like energy here, kind of like the reason why I like it actually. But this place is pretty damn cool. That's why ever since I discovered it, I just come back for, you know, the burn and sweat. but at the same time, you know, like that feeling, it just makes it more interesting. So he doesn't want to go anywhere because he doesn't like what he sees down there. What do you see? Alright, now he's just completely pulling me now. He doesn't want to go any further. Probably wants water to hold up. Alright, made it to the bottom. I'm about to go up already, and yeah, it's already like 2, so I want to try to beat rush hour, and this is going to be pretty crazy because close to 500 stairs to go up, and let's see if we can do it. First step. Oh guys, I've been walking for a while, and it's kicking my ass. Such a workout. Finally made it to the end. This is such a good workout. This could definitely burn that holiday junk food, all those dinners. That's finally going to conclude this little video. Come here, the link is in the description. Come to these stairs, it'll kick your ass, but in a good way. From this view, you can see the beach right there. Santa Monica right there.